Okay, here we are, working on Bo's truck. And you see the two underneath her, of course, Tyson. And this is our Jake. We call him Jake from State Farm. I tease him all the time. We're going to take the bed off once again. Who do we have to thank for this? Oh, Lord, my Bo right there, my Bo. He hates me because he don't have his hat on. Why don't you have your hat on? That's unusual. And we're going to take this off. I can't record while I'm helping, so, okay.
You have the 5/8 over there?
Go to 5/8.
Wait. Yeah.
Nut. Here we are on the truck. There's my daughter, Montana.
Nut.
Say hi, Montana. Oh, Tyson got in her way.
Yeah.
He's worried about it.
Yeah. I got it. So.